Dear students, welcome to the video class of foundation course. Today I am going to discuss some basic concepts like AMGM and application of AMGM in trigonometric problems, values of trigonometric function and some exercise problems. Let's start. Sin values of sin and pi is equal to 0. That is sin 0 0. That is sin 0 0, sin pi 0, sin 2 pi 0, etc. Clear? Again, number 2, value of sin 4n plus 1 pi by 2, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, is equal to 1. Its meaning, if n equal, that is if n equal to 0 means sin 5 by 2 1, n equal to 1 sin 5 pi by 2 is equal to 1, n equal to 2 sin 9 pi by 2 is equal to 1, etc. Number 3, sin sin 4n minus 1 pi by 2, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3 like this, is equal to minus 1, is equal to minus 1. That is sin, suppose n equal to 1, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, sin 7 pi by 2 minus 1 like this. Then number 4, cos n pi, cos n pi is equal to 1 if n is even integer, minus 1 if n is odd integer, that is suppose n equal to 0, what is cos 0? 1, cos n equals to cos 2 pi is equal to 1, etc. And cos pi minus 1, cos 3 pi minus 1, etc. Number 4, cos, denote by cos n pi by 2, where n is odd integer, is equal to 0. Example, that is cos pi by 2 0, cos 3 pi by 2 0, that's it. Similarly, 6, tan n pi is equal to 0, that is tan 0 0, tan pi 0, plus or minus pi 0, tan, etc. Arithmetic mean, its short form is m. Its short form is m. M of x1 and x2, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Similarly, m of x1, x2 and x3, that is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. In general, m of x1, x2, x3, xn is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot dot up to xn divided by n. Now geometric mean. Geometric mean, geometric mean, geometric mean, that is GM, short form GM. GM of x1 and x2 is equal to x1 into x2 whole to the power 1 by 2. GM of x1, x2 and x3, that is equal to x1 into x2 into x3 whole to the power 1 by 3. In general, GM of x1, x2, x3 like this up to xn is equal to x1 into x2 into x3 up to into xn whole to the power 1 by n. The relation between m and n, a relation between m and n, relation between m and n. m greater than equal to gm, m greater than equal to gm. Notes 1, if each terms are equal, then m is equal to gm. Note 2, if terms are unequal, then AM greater than 0. Now its application towards trigonometric problem. Prove that question. Prove that sin square theta plus cosec square theta, sin square theta plus cosec square theta greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2. Solution. Let x1 is equal to sin square theta, x2 is equal to cosec square theta. We know a greater than or equal to gn. That implies x1 plus x2 divided by 2 greater than or equal to x1 into x2 whole to the power 1 by 2. What is x1? Here x1 is equal to sin square theta. What is x2? Here x2 is equal to cosec square theta. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2 greater than or equal to, what is x1? Sin square theta. And what is x2? Here cosec square theta whole to the power 1 by 2. That is sin square theta plus cosec square theta by 2. Sin square theta into cosec square theta is equal to 1. So 1 to the power 1 by 2. That is equal to that implies sin square theta plus cosec square theta greater than or equal to 2. Henceforth, again one question. This question can be modified as, what is the minimum value of sin square theta plus cosec square theta? So answer is, we proved that sin square theta plus cosec square theta greater than or equal to 2. So its values starts from 2. So its minimum value is, that is minimum value of sin square theta plus cosec square theta is 2. Right? Another type question we can ask, what is the range of sin square theta plus cosec square theta? Since the values of sin square theta plus cosec square theta starts from 2 and then increase, so its range is 2, infinity. Clear? Another question. What is the minimum value of? What is the minimum value of sin cube theta plus 3 cosec theta? What is the minimum value of sin cube theta plus 3 cosec theta? It can be solved also by using m greater than or equal to 0. Solution is let x1 is equal to sin cube theta, x2 is equal to cosec theta, x3 is equal to cosec theta. x4 is equal to cosec theta. We know a greater than g equal to 0. We know a m greater than or equal to g. That implies a number of terms what? Number of terms 4. That implies x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 divided by 4 greater than or equal to x1 into x2 into x3 into x4 whole to the power 1 by 4. That implies sin q theta plus cosec theta plus cosec theta plus cosec theta by 4 greater than or equal to sin q theta cosec theta into cosec theta into cosec theta whole to the power 1 by 4. This is equal to sin q theta plus 3 cosec theta divided by 4 sin q into cosec q 1. So 1 to the power 1 by 4 is equal to 1 greater than or equal to 1. Now this implies sin q theta plus 3 cosec theta greater than or equal to. So value of sin q theta plus 3 cosec theta starts from 4, means 4 then greater than 4, starts from 4. So what is minimum value? Its minimum value is, therefore minimum value is equal to 4. Clear? Another concept, let's simplify sin pi plus theta sin 2 pi plus theta sin 3 pi plus theta. Sin pi plus theta lies in third quadrant, so minus sin theta. Sin 2 pi plus theta lies in first quadrant, so plus sin theta. Again sin 3 pi plus theta lies in third quadrant, that is minus sin theta. So minus and plus sin theta goes cancelled, so final answer is minus sin theta. Number 2, simplify sin pi plus theta sin 2 pi plus theta sin 3 pi plus theta sin 4 pi plus theta. So answer is, this is minus sin theta and this is plus sin theta, again this is minus sin theta and this is plus sin theta. So minus sin plus sin theta cancel, minus sin theta plus theta and theta cancel, so final answer is 0. From 2 examples we conclude that pi plus sin pi plus theta, sin 2 pi plus theta, sin 3 pi plus theta, that is a odd multiple of pi plus theta, then its answer is minus sin theta. If up to even multiple of pi plus theta, then its answer is 0. So in general we can write that is general formula sin pi plus theta sin 2 pi plus theta plus dot up to sin n pi plus theta. This is equal to sin minus sin theta if n belongs to m and n is odd. 0 if n belongs to m and n is even. We can say simply sin pi plus theta sin 2 pi plus theta up to odd multiple of pi, that is odd multiple of pi, then that is we can say sin pi plus theta sin 2 pi plus theta up to dot plus sin odd multiple into pi of pi plus theta. This is equal to minus sin theta, and this is sin pi plus theta sin 2 pi plus theta, like this up to sin even multiple of pi plus theta is equal to 0. Let's discuss some problems. Question number 10. First second bits. Evaluate. Question number 10, second bits. Evaluate sin theta sin pi plus theta sin 2 pi plus theta dot up to sin 1001 pi plus theta. What is the answer here? This is equal to pi plus theta 2 pi plus theta, here odd multiple of pi. So what is the answer here? If odd multiple of pi, then this is minus sin theta, here sin theta. So final answer is 0. Question number 10, third bit. Evaluate sin theta plus sin pi plus theta sin theta plus sin pi plus theta plus sin 2 pi plus theta, like this up to sin 1000 pi plus theta. So answer is what? This is even multiple of pi. So its answer is what? 0. So and here sin theta. So sin theta plus 0. So final answer is sin theta. In previous class, we already solved question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Prove that cos square 3 pi by 2 plus theta plus sin square 3 pi by 2 minus theta minus cos pi by 2 plus theta into cot 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sec square theta. Left hand side, cos square 3 pi by 2 plus theta sin square 3 pi by 2 minus theta minus cos pi by 2 plus theta into cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Cos square 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus theta lies in fourth quadrant. Here pi by 2 form present, so cos changes to sin. So we can write cos square 3 pi by 2 plus theta as sin square theta. Again here sin square 3 pi by 2 minus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in third quadrant, and sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, but here square present, so it is cos square theta minus cot pi by 2 plus theta, cot pi by 2 plus theta, pi by 2 lies, pi by 2 plus theta lies in second quadrant, so cot negative, that is cot pi by 2, pi by 2 form present, this is minus of minus tan theta, and cot 3 pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 form present, cot changes to tan, and 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in third quadrant, so it is positive, this is tan theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus minus plus 1 plus tan square theta. Its formula is sec square theta, which is equal to RHS. Proved.